All right, our Play-Doh challenge. So we're gonna give ourselves a minute and a half to make whatever it is we draw out of our little container here. We're gonna draw our first item.
It's an ant.
Ready, set, go.
This challenge works great for family fun, a church activity, or even a school activity.
Use parts of this black. Can I sing the ants go marching for all? How many legs do ants have?
I don't know.
8 seconds remaining. Oh, yours is so much better than mine.
So we're gonna annoy
Our next one, you ready to draw for our next one?
Teddy bear.
Ready?